you do is eat and eat, but you never pay a dollar. Now get out for good. And by jumping Jiminy, don't come back anymore. You moocher.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, mooch applies to you. He's got a nerve, throwing a guy out on an empty stomach. I'll find another boarding house. Uh-oh. Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally Walrus, asthma, 4343. What a coincidence.
Hello?
Is this Wally Walrus?
Yeah. This is Wally Walrus.
Well, this is Clementine. I saw your ad in the paper.
Ah, that's good. Young lady, are you refined?
Am I refined? I'm 110 octane. Now don't go away. I'll be right over. Goodbye.
Clementine. What a beautiful name. And by golly, she's coming to see me too. Sweet and dainty, like a berry, and her voice is so divine. Like a feather in the weather, she's my darling Clementine.
But you can just call me Clem.
Pleased to meet you. And my name is Walrus. But you can just call me plain Wally. Yeah, sure.
Okay, you cute little Wally.
By golly, she is plenty wonderful. Ah, there you are, me little lovebird. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
I said you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No.
Yes, you are.
Ah, she loves me. The Woodpecker!
Yeah, and you're Clementine. Folks better hold on to your seats, because you're going to hear the doggonest explosion you ever heard.
Get back with my food!
I do the work of 3 woodpeckers around here. That's why I eat so much.
Hurry, step right up, folks. All the things on a banana. See the greatest, the most colossal, the most stupendous, the most gigantic, the most sensational.
I went to the animal fair. The birds and beasts were there. The big baboon by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. No, C-E-R-O-S. Well, rhinoceros. Hey, what's going on here?
Well, what do you know? Just call me Stubby.
The monkey, he got drunk and climbed the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and fell on his knees. Then what became of the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk? Well, who cares?
Get out of here! Now listen, buddy. If you want to see this show, you gotta wait. See?
Okay.
Well, what a dead elephant. That's funny.
All done, big boy.
Now, my friend, when I get through with you, any similarity between you and a woodpecker will be purely coincidental.
Were all very beautiful 20 years ago.
With music and songs of long ago, we pass the time of day. We live in the memories of the past in our quaint old-fashioned way. Fairies do grow old, you see, our ages we won't reveal. But just remember one and all, you're only as old as you feel. Let's start cutting up around, baby. Let's start cutting up around, baby. Let's start cutting up around, baby. Cutting up around. Skates are jamming out tonight, girls. Skates are jamming out tonight, girls. Skates are jamming out tonight, girls. Jamming out tonight. Listen, girls, the bells.
Something must have happened.
Maybe it's a fire. Look, it's down at the castle. Oh, a little girl.
A little princess.
Just what they wanted. Isn't it wonderful? Oh, girls, I have a magic wish for the little princess. I wish that she...
A very good idea. As the good fairy of wisdom, my wish will bring her knowledge.
And with my magic power, I wish to give her everlasting beauty. And I shall endow her with riches and great wealth. But girls, you're forgetting that without me, you can do nothing. I am destiny. Oh, you and your own destiny.
Always bragging about yourself.
Yes, always reminding us of what you are. Oh, it's the mailman. A letter for beauty, and one for wealth, and one for wisdom, and one for... Well, of all things. Well, what do you know? I'm invited to the celebration.
And me too.
And also I. You see? That's how important you are.
Yes, they didn't even invite you.
So, they wouldn't invite me. Well, I'll go anyway. I'll crash the gate. wish thee great riches and wealth.
I wish thee great beauty. I wish thee wisdom and knowledge. I'm only a day old, but am I smart?
Yeah! So, you wouldn't invite me, Destiny. Well, my wish is that on her 15th birthday, your little princess will prick her finger on a spindle and fall asleep for 100 years. Yeah!
And so that the cursed wish could never come true, the king had all the spinning wheels and spindles destroyed. 15 years later, the little princess had become a beautiful maiden. And one day, while snooping through the castle tower,
Come in. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm spinning, dearie. Would you like to try it?
No, I don't wanna.
Oh, it won't hurt you much. Come on and try it.
I don't wanna.
Look, it says in the book, you gotta prick your finger and go to sleep.
But I'm not sleepy, and besides, I don't wanna.
Look, I've been waiting for 15 years, and now you say, I don't wanna. I ask you, is that fair?
Oh, well, if you're gonna feel that way about it, here goes. Ouch! Come back in 100 years, folks, and see me wake up.
Revenge! Revenge!
so the princess slept for almost 100 years. One day, the good fairies were cleaning house, and they found the lost letter under the rug.
We found it under the rug. So you were invited after all.
You've done a terrible wrong. Oh, I'm a bad girl. What'll I do?
Only a lover's kiss will awaken the princess.
I wish that the nearest prince will come to her rescue.
What's going on here? Whoa, Seabiscuit! Whoa! Gosh, what's got into me? I feel foolish. It must be love. Hello? Are you the Sleeping Beauty? The Sleeping Beauty? Are you the Sleeping Beauty? Are you her?
No, I'm not the Sleeping Beauty. Look.
Gosh, she's beautiful. She's gorgeous, magnificent. She's pretty good looking, ain't it? What do I do now?
Kiss her, you dope.
Who, me? Oh, I'm too bashful. I ain't never kissed a girl. I ain't never indulged in osculation.
Look, it says in the book you gotta kiss her and you gotta kiss her.
Hey! What's going on here? Whoa!
so they lived happily ever. And so they got married.
Back in town, a merry little clown. He never wears a frown. He will croon the latest tune, the Woody Woodpecker polka. His laugh has made him known, a sound that's all his own. Oh, hear that mellow tone. Let's all sing the latest thing, the Woody Woodpecker polka. Let's all laugh like the woodpecker bird, the Woody Woodpecker polka. Let's all laugh so it can be heard, the Woody Woodpecker polka. Happy as two birds in a nest, thriller to fill and cool. So let's all laugh, just like the woodpeckers do. Just listen to that band, the bestest in the land. Now grab your partner's hand. All night through we're gonna do the Woody Woodpecker polka. Let's jump up and down. Now we're going to town. Laugh away each frown. No one knew when you do the Woody Woodpecker polka. Let's all laugh like the woodpecker bird. The Woody Woodpecker polka. Let's all laugh so it can be heard. The Woody Woodpecker polka. Happy as two birds in a nest. With a bill and coo. So let's all laugh. Just like the woodpeckers do.
Where you going, Breezy?
I'm going to school, Pop. Goodbye.
That's a good boy, son. Getting all that learning with books and pencils and... Books? Breezy forgot his books. I better take them to him. Breezy! You forgot your books! Brook trout. Tum-tum, tiddy-um-pum-pum.
My, what a big boy. I'm the truant officer, boy, and you should be in school.
Me? In school? Har, har, har.
Shame on you for playing hooky. You come along with me, Sonny.
Tum-tum, dee-um-pum. Oh, a fight. Ah.
You have to go to school, you bad boy.
Now, looky here, Shorty. I'm smart, see? I don't have to go to school.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
Here, let me show you a problem in geometry. Let X equal an icebox, and Y equal a door. Then X plus Y over the square of the hypotenuse equals a banana. Now get lost! I thought I told you to get lost.
That's judo, Sonny.
Just a minute!
You will rue this day. Come along now. My, what a heavy boy. to school.
I'm being railroaded.
That's my pop.
Uh-oh. It's one of those crazy mixed-up characters. I'll fix him.
Oh, shut up!
Whoa! It's her.
That's not her. It's a woodpecker
Where, pal?
in there.
Let me see. Wow. A peeping Tom, eh? Game warden, Bud. According to Section 204, Code 506, you're charged with a 706. I'll have to take you in on an 88. Oh, it's you again.
do for each, Bugsy?
Let's pull the old raffle gag.
Okay, you set it up. I'll find the sucker. Uh-oh, there's a pigeon. Hey, Doc, we're raffling off a turkey. You want to take a chance?
Turkey? Gentlemen, I am delighted. And how do I win this noble bird?
First, we blindfold you like this, see?
Then you reach in the bowl and draw out a ticket. Allow me to congratulate you. You have won first prize. Ah, Dame Fortune smiles at me. And where is my turkey?
Down at Turkey headquarters. 13, Van Gluten Place. Go get it and bring it back here.
Yeah, and we'll show you how to stuff it.
Somebody's at the door. We better see who it is.
I've come to claim my turkey.
Turkey? Do we have a turkey? We might have one in the refrigerator.
Cold turkey. By Jove, my favorite dish. Just a moment. I demand my turkey. Let me have it.
Okay.
Look here, Cecil. Cecil? Oh, no. Oh, la-di-da-da. Pass the cream puff, Cecil. And don't forget the pink tea, Cecil. Hi, Cecil. Turkey! Let me see. 5 steps from wall to refrigerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha! Oh, no, not again. You wouldn't hit a lady, would you, Cecil? I guess he would.
Did you get the turkey?
And did you bring anything else?